This weather report brought to you by Twomey Schriber Property Group.
Hello, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, most of Queensland bathes in perpetual sunshine and gentle breezes. Here in the far north, we're stuck with unpredictably cloudy and quite windy weather for the next week, with a few light showers and choppy conditions on the open water. Same old temperatures again today, typical of a winter southeasterly with broken cloud. Mid to high 20s up top, with minimum temps around 20-ish. On the satellite loop now you can see Queensland starting to get very clear. It's a classic winter sort of setup where the only cloud is offshore cloud or some of the cloud that's reaching the Cassowary coast. If there's one place in Queensland that gets rain when everyone else doesn't, it's the Cassowary coast. Up to 30 mils in some places around Innisfail. Everyone else got basically nothing. On today's chart, we've got a very limp pressure pattern across southern Queensland. A light southerly breeze, but the air's been so light that fog once again did manage to settle in some places and also some frost inland. We've got another big high now soon to cross into New South Wales. But in the tropics, you can see the lines are close together, so we still got that strong wind warning for Cairns waters. On tomorrow's chart, again, the strong winds continue. The crunched up isobars in the tropics. For the rest of the state, generally light winds in the vicinity of this large high, and the air sinking under the high will once again keep conditions fine. On the outlook chart, the high moves a little bit further east. This same fine weather pattern will remain with us probably until next week. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters. We've got that strong wind warning, southeasterlies 20 to 30 knots all day tomorrow on a 2-metre swell outside the reef. Friday's winds dropping below 25 knots, but not much. And then Saturday easing further still. Not much tidal variation with the current lunar cycle, but for what it's worth, the tide will peak early morning and again late afternoon with a low tide halfway between. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, slight chance of a shower in the south only. Cairns itself should be fine with a bit of cloud, 26 degrees atop, 19 for Atherton, Innisfail 24, Mareeba 23. And looking ahead for Cairns, every day brings a close encounter with at least one shower, but next week that may turn into 2 or 3 or 4 showers as a new weather system develops. Atherton's much the same as Cairns, but a bit cooler of course, tops around 20-21 degrees all week and around 30 to 50% chance of showers. I almost missed this extraordinary photo while going through my archives. Would you believe a shower falling through a rainbow? So many things have to line up to make a scene like this happen, so credit to Jonathan Pearson for catching the moment. Taken at Dundathu on Friday, May the 27th, courtesy Bruce and Jonathan. Thanks, fellas, and now it's back to the team.
Lovely, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. See you tomorrow night. And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night. Good night.